Students, welcome to our English classes for class 10. And today I am going to teach you glimpses of India. Kurg, that is part 2. Lokesh Abroad is the writer. So student, Kurg is a coffee country. It is famous for its rainforest and spices. It sites between Mysore and Mangalore. The author calls it a piece of heaven. So let us study about a piece of heaven. Kurg or Kodagu is a coastal town of Mangalore. As I said you, it is the smallest district of Karnataka. It is the home of evergreen rainforest, spices and coffee. Heavy rains during monsoon keeps the tourist away. From September to March is a season of joy here. The weather is perfect in this land of rolling hills. It is the land of proud race of marital man, beautiful women and wild animals. The people of Kurg are possibly of Greek origin. As one story goes, a part of Alexander's army had settled there. They married amongst the locals. So they have a mixed culture. Their marriage and religious rites are different from those of the Hindus. They wear long black coat known as kupi. It is similar to the kupi worn by the Arabs and Kurds. So students, what I want to say is that they don't have Hindu religion there. Their culture is quite different because they have mixed culture. As I have told you that a part of Alexander's army had settled there. Means a part of Alexander's army, that means the Greek origin was there. And what they have done, they have married amongst the local. Means they have married the local ladies of Kurg. So they have a mixed culture and their marriage and religious rites are different from those of the Hindus. इस वजह से उनके जो कल्चर है वो हिंदू से क्वाइट डिफरेंट है क्योंकि इन लोगों का कल्चर जो हो गया है मिक्स हो गया है. ओके, कुर्ग रेजिमेंट इज द मोस्ट डेकोरेटेड इन द इंडियन आर्मी. द फर्स्ट चीफ ऑफ इंडियन आर्मी जनरल चरियप्पा was a Kurgi. It is a martial race. Even now, Kodabas are the only people in India permitted to carry firearms without a license. The river Kaveri gets its water from the hills of Kurg. The large freshwater fish called mahasir are found in this river. Kingfisher dive for the fish. Elephant enjoy being bathed and scrubbed in the river. The peculiar sports in this region are rafting, rock climbing, mountaineering, biking and trekking. Birds, bees and butterflies are there to give you company. Langurs keep a watchful eye from the trees, but the visitor must step aside for wild animals. The climb to Brahmagiri hills give a wonderful view of Kurg landscape. A rope bridge leads you to the 64-acre island of Nisargdhama. There is India's largest Buddhist settlement. At Bailukupi. One can see the monks in red and yellow robes. So student, we can see that the largest Buddhist settlement we can found in that place. People are basically from Buddhist origin. And monks, we can see monks in red colors everywhere in that part of the country. Here I can say that the people of that place love adventure and the settlement is Buddhist settlement. So what I can say and what you can see, I can see you that is the heaven. As our author also said, a piece of heaven. So my suggestion is for you people, when you get time, go and visit that place and enjoy the heaven on earth. So let me check you now what you understood through this chapter. Question 1. Where is Coorg situated? Option A, Mysore. Option B, Mangalore. Option C, Karnataka. And option D, Kerala. Your correct answer is Mangalore. Question 2. The first chief of the Indian Army is from option A, Coorg, option B, Goa, option C, Mysore, and option D, Punjab. Yes, your correct answer is option A, Coorg. Question 3. Dash river obtains its water from Coorg. Option A, Yamuna, option B, Narmada, option C, Kaveri, and option D, Tapi. Yes, your correct answer is option C, Kaveri. Question 4. The climb to the Dash Hills brings you into a panoramic view of the entire misty landscape of Coorg. Option A, Brahmagiri, option B, Himalaya, option C, Nilgiri, and option D, Parvati. Yes, your correct answer is option A, Brahmagiri. Students, it's practice, learn, practice and improve. Chapter highlights are given. Coorg is a village situated in the middle of Mysore and Mangalore. It is full of evergreen rainforest, spices, coffee plantation. Hospitality is the tradition of its people. The Coorgis are descendant of Arabs or Greeks. They wear kufi, which resemble kufi worn by Arab Kurds. The first army chief general Cariappa was a Coorg. The Coorg regiment is one of the most respected regiments in India. The climber of Brahmagiri hills can see the whole Coorg. Walking on the rope bridge is full of thrills and it leads to Nisargdhama Island. The Buddhist monk wear red orchidry and yellow cloth. It is the heart and soul of India. The questions, short answer type question which you need to answer in 30 to 40 words. Go through the question and try to give the correct answer. Thank you and be safe by cleaning your hands regularly and maintaining distance from people and using your